Down in the sea where the shells all shine lives a mermaid with a voice so fine. She sings to the dolphins, she hums with the tide. Her melody glides where the sea stars hide. The jellyfish glow when she begins to croon. The turtles dance by the light.